How to start a YouTube channel? Your guess is as good as mine. However, we've been working around here. I'm looking up at the screen instead of looking up at the. They say, you know what the answer is? Just start. Hey, what's going on, everybody? God, I don't like that either. And look right there on that front screen, there's a red stop button on the bottom of it. Press. Hey, what's going on, guys? You know what? I decided I was gonna try. Deshawn, come stop. Clap again. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is J Curtis, and this is my YouTube channel. Do it, clap. Hey, what's up, guys? Hold up, Kinsley, you can't be talking right now. I'm recording, okay? Let's go, Deshawn. You gotta say action, man. You gotta say action louder than that. Action! No, you gotta clap too. I've been kind of teeter-tottering. Ah! Stop the recorder button, Deshawn. Hit the stop button, yeah. Golly. I do want you to say action. All right, you ready, man? Huh?
Action!
Right. You gotta clap. You gotta do it. Come on, clap. Okay.
Action.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is J Curtis. Oh, man.
Oh, hey, what's up, guys? This is JCurtis coming from live from JCurtisMedia.
Planning on doing, what in the world was that?
Action.
Hey, what's happening, guys? This is J Curtis, coming to you live from the JCurtisMedia studio, where we're doing, okay, clap it up. No, man, just one clap. Action, then clap.
Action.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is J Curtis, and I'm welcome to my, golly. I keep on messing that part up. Hit the stop button. God dog it. I am in focus, right? Oh, you didn't hit the stop button. It's still recording.
Action.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is J Curtis, and welcome to my channel. Clap it for one time. Clap it for me again. Clap it, Deshawn. You gotta make a solid clap, because this is how we edit. Hit the stop button. I think that was getting ready to go good, but I jacked it up. Action.
Action.
Hey guys, what's up? This is J Curtis. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Hit the stop button, Deshawn. God dang it. God. They say, look, man, you trying to be too perfect. You trying to make it all work right now. Where you gonna grow? How you gonna get there? So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. What's up, guys? It's your boy Big JT, and today I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. I've got some exciting things coming for you, and hopefully I can bring added value to your content creation.